Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome keeps opening new tabs. If Chrome keeps opening unwanted new tabs every time you launch it or while you're browsing, there are a few settings you can check to resolve the issue. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Startup. If Open a specific page or set of pages is selected, review the listed pages. Remove any websites that you don't recognize or no longer want Chrome to open automatically. Then select Open the New Tab page. Next, click Reset Settings from the left-hand menu. Select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings to confirm. This will restore Chrome's default settings without deleting your bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. After that, click About Chrome from the left-hand menu. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, let it install, then click Relaunch. Once Chrome restarts, open it again and check if the problem has been fixed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Google Chrome keeps opening new tabs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips, browser tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. See you in the next video.